Have you ever felt stuck, literally? Constipation is something almost everyone deals with at some point in their life, and it can be incredibly uncomfortable and frustrating. But what if I told you that relief could be as simple as adding a few key supplements and vitamins to your daily routine? In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the best supplements and vitamins that not only relieve constipation, but do so naturally and effectively. These aren't just quick fixes, they're solutions that work. So if you're ready to feel better, stay with us until the end. And don't forget to subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions. Constipation is more than just an inconvenience. It's a signal that something in your digestive system isn't working as it should. For many people, the solution lies not just in what you eat, but also in what your body might be missing. This is where supplements and vitamins come into play. These natural additions can provide your digestive system with the extra support it needs to keep everything moving smoothly. But it's important to understand which ones are the most effective and how to use them correctly. Let's begin with one of the most well-known supplements for constipation relief: magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle relaxation throughout your body, including in your intestines. When your intestinal muscles are too tight, it can make it difficult for stool to move through, leading to constipation. Magnesium supplements, particularly magnesium citrate, work by relaxing these muscles and also by drawing water into the intestines. This combination helps to soften the stool and promote regular bowel movements. For those dealing with occasional constipation, taking 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium citrate at night can be incredibly effective. It's important, however, to start with a lower dose to see how your body reacts, as too much magnesium can lead to loose stools or diarrhea. Another powerful supplement for relieving constipation is fiber, but not just any fiber. While dietary fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is essential, fiber supplements can provide that extra boost your body needs to get things moving. Psyllium husk is one of the most popular fiber supplements available. It's a natural plant-based fiber that absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in the intestines. This not only adds bulk to your stool, but also keeps it soft and easy to pass. To use psyllium husk effectively, mix 1 tablespoon with at least 8 ounces of water or juice and drink it immediately, followed by another glass of water. This ensures that the fiber can do its job without causing any blockages. It's also worth noting that psyllium husk can help with both constipation and diarrhea, making it a versatile addition to your supplement routine. For those who prefer a different type of fiber, inulin is another great option. Inulin is a prebiotic fiber, which means it not only helps with bowel regularity, but also feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall digestive health, and inulin can help maintain that balance. Inulin is often found in powder form and can be easily added to smoothies, yogurt, or even baked goods. Start with a small amount, such as 1 teaspoon, and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. This will help you avoid any potential bloating or gas that can sometimes occur when first introducing fiber supplements. Probiotics are another key player in the battle against constipation. These are the good bacteria that live in your gut and help keep your digestive system functioning properly. An imbalance in gut bacteria, known as dysbiosis, can lead to a range of digestive issues, including constipation. Taking a daily probiotic supplement can help restore this balance, improve digestion, and promote regular bowel movements. Look for a probiotic that contains strains known to be effective for constipation, such as Bifidobacterium longum and Lactobacillus rhamnosus. It's also important to choose a probiotic with at least 10 billion CFUs, colony-forming units, for the best results. Consistency is key with probiotics, so be sure to take them daily and give them a few weeks to start working. Moving on to vitamins, vitamin D plays an essential role in overall health, and it's particularly important for digestive health. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to constipation, especially in people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system and reduce inflammation, both of which are important for a healthy digestive system. If you don't get enough vitamin D from sunlight or your diet, a supplement can help fill the gap. The recommended daily amount of vitamin D varies depending on your age, but many experts suggest taking 1,000 to 2,000 IU per day for optimal health. As with any supplement, it's a good idea to have your levels checked by a healthcare provider to determine the best dosage for you. Another vitamin that can aid in constipation relief is vitamin C. Known for its immune-boosting properties, vitamin C also acts as a natural laxative when taken in higher doses. This is because it increases water in the intestines, which helps soften the stool and stimulate bowel movements. For constipation relief, try taking 2,000 to 4,000 mg of vitamin C daily, split into smaller doses throughout the day. It's important to listen to your body, as too much vitamin C can cause diarrhea. Adjust the dosages needed to find the right balance for your body. B vitamins, particularly vitamin B6, also play a role in digestive health. Vitamin B6 helps the body produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and digestion. Low levels of serotonin can lead to a sluggish digestive system, contributing to constipation. Taking a vitamin B6 supplement can help boost serotonin levels and improve bowel regularity. The recommended daily amount of vitamin B6 is around 1.3 to 2 mg for adults. But if you're dealing with constipation, a higher dose may be beneficial. Be sure to consult with a healthcare provider before increasing your dosage, as too much vitamin B6 can cause nerve damage. Herbal supplements are another option for those seeking natural relief from constipation. Senna is one of the most commonly used herbal laxatives, derived from the leaves of the senna plant. It works by stimulating the muscles in the intestines, helping to move stool through the digestive tract. Senna is typically taken as a tea or in capsule form and is very effective for short-term relief of constipation. However, it's important to use senna sparingly and not rely on it long-term, as it can cause dependency and potentially harm the intestines. Aloe vera is another herbal remedy that can be used to relieve constipation. While aloe vera is well known for its soothing properties when applied to the skin, it also has a laxative effect when taken internally. The latex found in the outer leaf of the aloe plant contains compounds that stimulate bowel movements. Aloe vera can be taken as a juice or in capsule form, but it's important to use it under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as excessive use can lead to cramping and dehydration. Triphala is an Ayurvedic herbal formulation made from 3 fruits: amla, bibataki, and haritaki. It has been used for centuries to promote digestive health and regularity. Triphala works by gently cleansing the colon and supporting the natural detoxification process. This makes it a great option for those looking for a gentle, long-term solution to constipation. Triphala is typically taken before bed to promote regular bowel movements in the morning and is available in powder, capsule, or liquid form. In addition to these supplements, digestive enzymes can also be incredibly beneficial for those struggling with constipation. Digestive enzymes are proteins that help break down the food you eat into smaller, more absorbable molecules. If your body isn't producing enough digestive enzymes, it can lead to poor digestion and constipation. Taking a digestive enzyme supplement with meals can help ensure that your food is being properly broken down and absorbed, which can alleviate constipation. Look for a broad-spectrum enzyme supplement that includes protease, amylase, and lipase, as these enzymes break down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats respectively. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil and flaxseed oil, are another supplement to consider for constipation relief. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. This is particularly beneficial for those with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, which can cause constipation. In addition to their anti-inflammatory effects, omega-3 fatty acids also help lubricate the intestines, making it easier for stool to pass. Taking an omega-3 supplement daily can support your overall digestive health and help prevent constipation. As we continue to explore the best supplements and vitamins for constipation relief, it's important to remember that everyone's body is different. What works for one person might not work for another, so it's important to listen to your body and find what works best for you. It's also important to use supplements and vitamins in conjunction with a healthy diet and lifestyle. Eating a diet rich in fiber, staying hydrated, and getting regular exercise are all essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and preventing constipation. In addition to these supplements and vitamins, there are a few more tips and tricks you can use to enhance their effectiveness. For example, taking your supplements with a full glass of water can help them work more effectively by ensuring that your body stays hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for preventing constipation, as it helps keep the stool soft and easy to pass. Another tip is to take your supplements at the same time each day to help establish a routine and ensure that you're consistent with your supplementation. It's also important to pay attention to the timing of your supplements. For example, Taking magnesium or trifala before bed can help promote regular bowel movements in the morning. On the other hand, taking probiotics and digestive enzymes with meals can help improve digestion and prevent constipation throughout the day. Experimenting with the timing of your supplements can help you find what works best for your body and ensure that you're getting the most out of your supplementation. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions. Remember, your digestive health is a key part of your overall well-being, and with the right supplements and vitamins, you can keep things moving smoothly.